What are Miranda rights? What do you need to know about them? Why do you need to know about them? And why does it matter?
See, an officer's not on our side. They have a job to do. And their job is to gain evidence that can be used against you. So one of the ways they do that is to ask you questions that might incriminate yourself. So if you ever find yourself in this position where you've been read your rights and you've been told you have the right to remain silent, usually the officer will ask you right after that, will you agree to answer my questions? This is the answer to that question. No. My attorney has all the answers to the questions that you need. Call Justin Bell. He'll give you all the information you need.
Perfect.
Shut up, don't say anything else.
Okay, so what if, say, someone's in a situation, they've never been, either arrested or there's something going on, and Miranda rights haven't been read, but they're trying to collect information?
Well, that's the interesting part about it. When someone hasn't been read their rights and they've been asked questions that elicit incriminating responses, then those responses can be suppressed and not used against you. Because if you haven't been advised of your rights and then you haven't waived those rights, yet you have an officer asking you, well, what do you have on you? You got anything? He's not asking whether you got your keys or your wallet on you. He's asking you whether or not you have anything illegal on you. And so that's what we call an incriminating question. And so, in situations like that, you certainly want to discuss these facts with your attorney, and that's something that can be used as a suppression for the evidence that they've elicited in front of you.
Because it does matter when your Miranda rights have been read to you.
Absolutely.
Whether that evidence gets suppressed or whether it gets used against you.
Yes, what happens is that once you're in custody, that means you're handcuffed. You're not free to leave. Okay? Then at that point, you should be read your rights before any questions that they're offering to you.
Okay. So say you haven't been read your Miranda rights and they're asking you questions to find out information. Can you ask them, am I under arrest?
Certainly. I mean, that's the first thing you want to say. Am I free to leave? Am I in custody? Or am I free to leave?
Right.
And so when you're in handcuffs, you are in custody for Miranda purposes.
Okay. If this was helpful for you, click the link below. You can schedule a free consultation with criminal defense attorney Justin Bell here in Knoxville, Tennessee.